Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So for the longest time, we have a Dyson hairdryer at home, which we purchased like many years ago. And we just never bothered to look for a hairdryer stand up until now. So the original product came with a mat, and that's what we've been using. And it's kind of lay on the bathroom countertop. It's just not that organized. So more recently, when I looked into buying the Dyson vacuum, I saw that they actually have a stand for the hairdryer. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the one from Dyson. Their product is always out of stock. The one that's actually in stock, when I try to purchase it, it has shipping delay. So it's been delayed over a month now. Can you believe that? So I went to Amazon and got 3 different hairdryer stands, and today I'm going to compare them. All right, the first one going to unbox is the MyGift Premium Modern Table Stand. Okay. Oh, this has some weight to it. So when it's a premium, it's legit. It's pretty heavy. Here is the stand. All right. This is the stand. It looks very elegant and really simple. So on to the next one. This is also a desktop stand. And this one actually has a manual here to show you how to attach some of the stuff. Oh, this one is also has premium feel to it. It's quite heavy as well. I do like their design. All right, one more piece that goes on the bottom. Just slide this right in. Oh, there we go. All right, on to the next one. This is called the smartmoon. No, this one comes in a pouch. Ta-da. Yeah, this one is a one piece. It's actually look very nice as well. So let me go set this up. All right, I have all 3 of them here side by side. This is the Ninebird desktop stand. This is the MyGift. And this one is the smartmoon. Now, the most expensive one is this Ninebird coming at $40. There's 2, they are coming at $25 each. I will put all the product in the description below so you can go check out the most up-to-date pricing. The Dyson hairdryer we got, it came with a mat. So this is what we've been using. We'll put all the accessory on top. And much later on, we got one of this. This accessory helps flatten out the hair so it won't be so puffy. It's pretty good, especially when you have long hair. But my wife and I now have shorter hair, so we haven't been using this all that much. But we do have 4 accessories here. As you can see, the mat only holds 3. So it's perfect time for us to have a stand. It will help make everything more organized in the bathroom area. For the Ninebird and the MyGift, on their website description, they can hold 5 accessories, but this particular version I got can only hold 4 accessories. They do have a newer version where there's a cutout here where they can hold technically 5 accessories. So, but that one actually costs a little bit more at $40. When I purchasing this stand, that one wasn't there. Otherwise, I would have gotten that one. But more recently, that one came back in stock. So anyway, here are them side by side. Now let's just talk about similarity. They all use magnet to hold accessories. So it's very neat. What you can do for this, just hold down here. Like they don't come off easily. So once they're on pretty tight. And then you have put this and for the big diffuser, you can just put underneath here. And for the hairdryer, there. So I actually like this a lot. I think of all 3, and this is my favorite one so far. This is what you can expect from the Ninebird. You can hold the accessory very neat and tightly here. Now, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 accessories, right? This portion, you can actually put one more accessory. That's a flat accessory that's Dyson sells. But I don't have that, so I cannot really show it to you. But if you do have it, it will be put right here. Next, let's talk about the middle one, the MyGift. Now, the way that you're gonna place your hairdryer is right behind it on the hook here. Now, 1, 2, 3. Technically, they're supposed to hold 3 accessories, but you can put one more here if you need to. So let me show it to you real quick. There. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I mean by 5 is supposedly you can put one more in the basket here. Now, according to their description, this is where you're supposed to put cable. Now, for my particular Dyson, this is the older model. I don't know if the newer model still has this brick or not. Because my cable comes with this brick. Now, if I roll up all this cable, it will not fit inside this cable holder. So it's kind of frustrating. That's one of the downside with all this stands. Like, I would like to have some kind of cable management, even though they claim that they provide it. Because I have this brick here, it's just not going to work. This will always get in the way. And last one is the smartmoon. The way that you're going to put your accessory, the diffuser, you can put in the back, it sits right there, and then you can put a couple of the accessory right in the center here, and then you can put your Dyson here. Now, here you have 3 accessories. Technically, you can put one more. It's on the Dyson itself. So there, you can hold 4. Now, again, their newer model has a cutout here, so you can actually put one more accessory if you opt for the newer model. But I just don't know how, oh, okay. Yeah, I guess you can put in the back with the newer model instead of on the front. Otherwise, this will get in the way. According to their product description, I can wrap the cable around from the back end. But again, because this brick here, it's just not going to work. And also the way that they want you to wrap the cable is in between the diffuser and the base here. I tried many times, and it kind of forced the diffuser to pop out because how thick the cables are. To me, it doesn't sit correctly here. So again, the cable management is just not there for this one as well. And my final thought about this 3, my preference is on this Ninebird desktop stand. As this actually holds all the accessory really well, and also the Dyson just sit really nicely on top of it. Yeah, look at this. There's a cutout here just for this portion. Yeah, it looks very nice to hold the Dyson. Now all the other 2, it's just a little bit out of place, especially this center one. It's supposed to be able to put the cable, like again, so if my cable doesn't have that brick on there, I probably might opt for this one just because this is taller and holds a lot of accessory. And if the cable is able to hold inside the basket here, then I have a really great cable management with this one. But so far, I think the more expensive one is actually the one that I would prefer over the other 2. Anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.